How to fix facial verification problem in Binance. Hello everybody, if you're having that issue, you may follow up the steps. So first thing you can make sure is your app is updated to the latest version, because that may be also the issue why you're having the identification problem. So head over to Play Store and then go over the search and then search for Binance. And then make sure your app is updated to the latest version. If not, you may update it from here. So if it fails, don't keep trying multiple times in a row. You may go ahead and log out of your Binance and then restart verification from scratch. Another thing is you need to look straight at the camera and follow the on-screen instructions, which is slowly turning your head and avoiding sudden movements and keeping your phone still during the scan. Make sure you are not wearing any hats. Also avoid wearing glasses and using filters, and also stop using enough extra lightning. If that doesn't work, what you can do is go ahead and clear the cache of your app. So long press on Binance and go to the info section at the top. And then from here, go to storage and try clearing the cache. Also clear the data and restart everything. And after that is done, even if that doesn't work, you may contact the Binance support. So go over to binance.com/support. After that, here you will be finding an option called Verify Identity Account. Go ahead and tap on it. After that, provide your user ID, screenshot of the error, and your device details. So that's it for now. You may follow up some of this method in order to fix the issue for now. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.